Supabase is an open-source backend-as-a-service platform that provides developers with instant APIs, authentication, and database management built on PostgreSQL. It works by offering a ready-made backend infrastructure that developers can connect to immediately, eliminating the need for extensive backend coding. Supabase excels in rapid prototyping and applications requiring real-time data synchronization, thanks to its built-in real-time capabilities and easy-to-use dashboard. Its strengths include seamless integration with front-end tools, straightforward authentication, and automatic API generation. However, it has limitations in customization compared to traditional backend frameworks and may not suit highly complex business logic or enterprise-scale applications. Supabase is ideal for startups, solo developers, and teams looking to accelerate development without managing server infrastructure. Spring Boot is a Java-based framework designed to simplify the creation of production-grade backend applications. It works by providing an opinionated setup that reduces configuration overhead, allowing developers to build standalone, scalable services with embedded servers. Spring Boot's strengths lie in its flexibility, extensive ecosystem, and deep integration with the Java platform, making it suitable for complex business logic, microservices, and enterprise applications. It supports a wide range of databases, security options, and cloud deployments. However, Spring Boot requires a steeper learning curve and more initial setup compared to backend-as-a-service platforms. It is best suited for experienced developers or teams who need full control over backend architecture and want to build robust, maintainable systems. Supabase and Spring Boot serve different developer needs. Supabase offers speed and simplicity, perfect for projects that need quick deployment and real-time features without heavy backend coding. It trades off deep customization for ease of use. Spring Boot delivers full control and scalability, ideal for complex applications requiring custom workflows and enterprise-grade features, but demands more setup and Java expertise. For example, a startup building an MVP might thrive with Supabase, while a large company developing a microservice architecture would benefit from Spring Boot's robustness. Choosing between them depends on your project complexity, team skills, and long-term maintenance plans. Choose Supabase if you want a fast, low-maintenance backend with real-time capabilities and minimal setup, especially for smaller or rapidly evolving projects. Opt for Spring Boot when you need full backend control, scalability, and a mature Java ecosystem for complex, enterprise-level applications. Both tools excel in their domains. Pick the one that matches your project scope and your team's expertise.